Solid edge with synchronous technology is a very popular choice for companies that are moving from 2D to 3D. Companies that need to minimize design change, leverage existing 2D into 3D, streamline supplier interaction, and protect and search drawings are seeing tremendous value in Solid Edge. Hi, I'm Dan Staples, and I'd like to give you a glimpse of the industry's first feature-based, history-free design solution that helps companies like yours get the power of 3D with the simplicity of 2D.
2D drawings can be used immediately in 3D. As we drag the wheel hub drawing into 3D, dimensions become editable. During edits, Live Rules keeps you from applying complicated constraints. Watch how symmetry is kept even with the tangent and concentric faces. Making automated changes can be done by linking 3D driving dimensions with equations.
It thinks like a designer thinks, whereas you just start with a blank sheet of paper and you just start sketching. That's exactly how, it's almost the same kind of philosophy that goes towards synchronous.
Because Solid Edge with synchronous technology speeds adoption by reducing design pre-planning, you can also expect less change in the way you work. Let's see how this technology integrates your 2D drawings into 3D assembly design.
Layout drawings can drive the fit and position of 3D parts, and GoalSeek can optimize their locations. The results ensure a standard belt can be used with this complex pulley system. Synchronous technology helps fix interferences faster. A fence stretch changes both parts and locations with near-instant performance.
With this technology, you can initiate assembly designs from existing drawings and make refinements to 3D faster using 2D-like methods. We also recognize your need to continue to work with supplier parts, regardless of format. Let's see how our technology can be used with imported models.
Design intelligence is lost during any import, but changes can be made by adding 3D driving dimensions. Flexible edits can also be made by a drag and even without constraints, and Live Rules finds and maintains the original intent. Assembly changes are just as easy. Choose the geometry, drag it into shape where the intent is preserved in native and imported components.
But now with synchronous, you can actually edit a part from an outside source that's not a native format, and it doesn't really need the construction history to do anything with it, which is, to me, an amazing breakthrough.
Solid Edge with synchronous technology is designed to work just as effectively with native or imported parts. Let's not forget managing your data. Here's how Solid Edge Insight manages your data without separate or complicated PDM commands.
Dashboards created in Microsoft SharePoint let Solid Edge Insight search for models, view assemblies, and verify parts lists. Insight can open models and make revisions within Solid Edge, where check-in and check-outs are handled transparently. Once the changes are made, we can review them back in the dashboard and bring this task to closure.
If someone were to ask me to recommend a CAD software, I could easily recommend Solid Edge. It's leader in technology in the industry, great customer support, and an easy-to-use software with a great set of tools.
These are just a few of the reasons Solid Edge with synchronous technology is the choice for companies moving from 2D to 3D. Our feature-based, history-free technology is superior in leveraging your 2D investment, as well as streamlining your supply chain, all with built-in design data management. These capabilities help companies like yours get the power of 3D with the simplicity of 2D for a 100 times faster design experience.